block M of mass 4m is attached by light string to block B of mass 2m. The string passes over the pulley of negligible friction and negligible mass. So block A and is held above h level, h distance above the ground. The blocks are released from the rest. So initially the system was at rest, and as soon as we leave the system, A accelerated towards the ground, and after 2 seconds, time is equal to 2 seconds, it reaches to the ground. The value of h is what? So let's first draw the free body diagram. So this on 2m mass, 2mg is acting downwards, and the tension is in the string which is upward, and this whole system is oscillated with this oscillated with A oscillation. Here also 4mg is acting downward. The tension is same because the string is same, and that's why tension in this string is same on both sides, and this is oscillated downwards. So let's just write the equation for 2m block. So it would be tension minus 2mg. This is the net force. So we know how we write equation. So for net force is equal to mass into oscillation. So what is the net force acting on this body? Only consider this system only. So T minus 2mg would give me the oscillation. So tension minus 2mg is equal to the 2m into A. And if I want to write the equation for 4m, it would be the net force acting on the body 4mg is acting downwards, and the system is oscillated downwards. That's why 4mg is a bigger force. Minus tension is equal to 4m into A. So let's just eliminate this T value. So from this equation 1, T is equal to 2ma plus 2mg, or I just write it, replace the T value here. So 4mg minus 2ma minus 2mg. So what the oscillation we got? We got around 2mg 6ma. M got cancelled, and the oscillation value would be g upon 3. So from the kinematic constant oscillation kinematic equation, we know that S is equal to ut plus half at square. The initial velocity is 0, and the distance, like if we apply this equation from its starting point at this and final point at this is initial position and this is final when this block reaches to the ground. So h distance it traveled, initial velocity is 0, half, what is the oscillation? Oscillation is g upon 3. This is the net oscillation, right, for the 4m body, and for the time is 2 seconds, so we have to write 2 square. So let's just solve it. It would be 2g upon 3, so it would be 20 upon 3 is 6.667, so something around 6.7 meter is the h distance. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then please like it and subscribe the channel. We will bring more problems along with the solution. So if you have any query, then you can WhatsApp me. If you want a private tuition from me, then you can scan this or send me an email on fosra.physics@gmail.com. See you in the next video.